One of the things that will get in your way of learning poi is being afraid of the poi. So I see this a lot, I teach poi a lot, and often when I see people are going to learn a new move, and they keep flinching because the poi might hit them. So this is, and this is, of course this happens. I mean, millions of years of evolution taught us that if something's flying towards our head, to duck. That's why we're here, because we got good at ducking to some extent. So don't hold that against yourself. You know, in fact, be grateful that our ancestors learned to duck, because that's why we're here. However, with poi, learning poi, you want to learn to relax and not always duck and flinch when the poi are coming towards you. My philosophy in my approach to poi is use soft poi. Something really soft that's not going to hurt you. Some people think, no, I want to use rocks. And, you know, great, okay, use rocks. My approach is to use soft poi. And simply to learn, to get used to it, to hit yourself. So I think if you want to learn to get over that flinching and you want to, you know, so that you can just relax and learn new things without your body always trying to, you know, get out of the way, take your soft poi and just hit yourself a lot. Like, you know, maybe there's a couple places you don't want to hit yourself, but get used to that. In fact, you know, there's all these poi moves that are all based around the poi hitting yourself, right? So it's actually a super fun way to play in the long run. And the sooner you get used to it, the sooner you'll stop being so afraid of the poi. Right? Maybe I don't want to hit myself right in the eye, but if I spin gently, I can hit myself right in the nose. Oh yeah, it's another thing. If you learn to spin gently, you'll be much less afraid of your poi. So, you know, when you're warming up and playing, just, you know, remind yourself that it's just soft poi, and if you spin gently, it's not going to hurt. And the sooner you get used to this, the sooner you can learn something like crossing backwards or doing a backward weave, and you won't be trying to duck. You'll just be able to do it and be like, oh, it hit me in the head. Let's see, let's try that again. Oh, it hit me in the head again. Let's try that again. And okay, hit me in the shoulder that time. Let's see. Now if I just, oh, I see. So if I just turn enough, it'll miss me. Right? As opposed to going, ack, and then it didn't work, and then ack, it didn't work. Because if you're flinching, you won't notice what's happening. If you're just watching, oh, it didn't quite make it to the other side. No, it almost made it to the other side. Oh, good, it made it to the other side. And then you'll progress much quicker. So, even though it sounds funny, hit yourself in the head with the poi a lot, and you'll be thankful for it.